guys, it's Dina here. Welcome to my Drunk Elephant product review series. Today I'm going to review another one of my favorite Drunk Elephant products, which is their lip balm. And it looks like this. If you're just tuning in for the first time, I am doing a series of Drunk Elephant product reviews, one video for each product. And if you're interested in learning more about the brand or the background, I have linked my introduction video here for you to check out. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so this is definitely a lifesaver product for me. I love it. It's so good, and I regret so much that I haven't bought a new one, and this one is completely used up. I am someone who has really dry lips. It gets chappy if I don't use lip balms all the time. So if you like throw me on an island and I can only bring one thing with me, I'll bring a lip balm, and there's always a lip balm in my purse. I have like a million at home. So that's something I really don't like about myself. It's really annoying, and that also shows you how important it is for me to find the right product for myself. And this one has really stood out among everything else. It's probably because it contains marula oil, which is the hero product or ingredient for the Drunk Elephant line. But it also is packed with like a lot of great stuff, and which I'll list here. So talking about the packaging first, this balm is a little bit bigger and thicker in diameters compared to the regular lip balm that we see. I don't have a particular favorable feeling towards this packaging because I feel like the traditional lipstick shape is fine for me. But I think one thing that I like about this is that I can get every bit of it out towards the end. So if you look closely, I've sort of like scooped out all the leftover remaining ones at the bottom, so I could, fully use every bit of this product because I just love it so much. So this product is fragrance-free, flavor-free, color-free. So you literally don't see any color, don't smell anything, no fruit smells, none. And what I love about it is that it's not sticky at all. So it just goes on super smoothly, and it's just like sort of like a oil that stays there, but it's not like oily oil. So I usually apply this right before I go to sleep as a last step after I drink my water and everything. And it stays on for the whole night and keeps my lips so hydrated. I just love it. Like the next morning when I wake up, the products are still there. Like, you know how when you use other lip balms it goes away over time, right? This one, at least for the entire night, it doesn't. And I only use it during nighttime because it doesn't really contain any like UV protection. So I use other products during the day, and I usually just put lipsticks on as well. So I feel like it's a waste to use this during the day, but at night, this is like something I can't go to bed without until I ran out, obviously. Like I said, I have really chappy lips, dry lips, and when I used Invisalign, which I still do, when you take out the braces too many times, your mouth corners get so dry and the skins become really flaky. It's just gross. So I usually put some of the lip balm here on the corners as well. It has such an amazing healing effect on my skin that I just feel like this is really worth the money because it's not cheap. So if you're someone who's looking for a lip balm that is extremely hydrating, and it doesn't come with any fragrance, smell, color, or like taste, and is non-sticky, this is it. I don't think there's any other products out there that's as effective and as good as this one. So I really do recommend it to all of you out there who have dry lips, including guys. I mean, this would work wonders on guys because it's not glossy or anything like that. It's not sticky, but it does the job. And the packaging is not super girly either, so it's probably one of the top choices for guys too. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you liked this video, and stay tuned for more. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!